पिछले हफ्ते कोक वी पॉप स्टार्स 2 रुका था फैसले की घड़ी पे। मुंबई के इंटेंसिव ऑडिशन रिजल्ट्स, जहां बचे 12 फाइनलिस्ट्स में से 8 की पॉप स्टार कहानी होती है खत्म। अब फैसला होगा बचे 4 फाइनलिस्ट्स का।
Okay, Jimmy, out of the experts, Bhavni was not totally convinced about the way you sing. Primarily because at every changing octave or changing part, your voice quality changes. And the whole act is obviously very solo.
It's more of an individual showmanship kind of thing that comes across.
So Jimmy, we're going to be keeping you. I really don't know whether you're going to be the final 4 or not. Okay, Mansi, definitely the dancing is not there. And it's not only a matter of dancing, a certain kind of performance is not there. So what we really feel is that this is definitely not your platform.
That is-
Mansi, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Avinash, let me just tell you, you're the only contestant who every one of our consultant has given a negative. I don't know what I can say beyond that. Somewhere in your heart, you're too desperate to be a part of this.
Yes, that's true. That's very true actually.
मैं यार तो एक बस एडवाइस दे सकता हूँ कि जिंदगी में कभी भी किसी चीज को इतना डेस्परेटली मत चाहो कि वो दिखना शुरू हो जाए. You're going to be going back home. Also, I have in front of me a complete list of who thinks what about you. Our vocal expert actually has given you a negative.
You know why also, because you've been saying it yourself from day one.
I can't sing high is what you say. And so has Terence, our dance expert. He thinks you're very good at the hip hop and that kind of a dance, but when it comes to expression, you're not there. And then we didn't actually get a positive from the makeup guy also. Didn't get a positive from Rocky S for very obvious reasons. Even the day before that when I told you shout, and then you shouted and then it hit the high notes. If I hadn't persisted, you wouldn't even hit those high notes because you got in your head that you cannot sing high. मैं तुम्हें क्या chances देता हूँ? What are your chances to be a part of this? You're gonna be with us, okay?
I'm so happy.
Eight people behind me, only 4 to make the band. Scary. I wonder what it's going to be like to be in their place.
8 youngsters have gone back with dreams in their eyes. Suhasi, Vasudha, Jimmy, Sangeet, Manjari, Amit, नीति और आयुष्मान. 8 उम्मीदवार, लेकिन पोजीशंस हैं सिर्फ 4. Only 4 will form the band. Now's the time for the ultimate big decision at Coke V Pop Stars 2. The jury gears up for their final selection. यही है अंतिम फैसले की घड़ी.
हम लोग सब जितने भी हमारे पास अभी 8 प्रत्याशी हमारे सामने इन सब के बारे में बात करेंगे और स्टार्टिंग विद जिमी. What do you think?
Dancing, Jimmy is so-so.
See, the only drawback that I see with Jimmy is his aggressive attitude.
Let's talk about Manjari. She has that teen look.
She's got a certain spark also towards her.
Manjari is very pleasing.
Okay.
Let's
So
talk about
that's
Sangeet
Manjari.
now.
Let's talk about Sangeet.
Sangeet is okay. And I just find him expressionless when he's dancing. Ayushmann will outshadow him on stage completely.
Now let's go to Neeti.
Quite frankly, I was quite disappointed when I saw Neeti all done up.
I don't know how popular she will be with everybody else in the band. Which gets us to Mr. Amit. Amit is quite a sarvaguna sampann ladka. I mean, इसमें कोई कमी तो है नहीं.
He's the typical guy a girl would want to see in a teenage kind of
Yeah,
band,
absolutely.
or whatever, you know.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about Suhasi actually.
Oh my god.
Suhasi looks good, yeah.
Just look at it. I mean, every expert who came to look out for these kids, they rated Suhasi the highest. Okay, which brings us to Mr. Ayushmann.
I think he's one guy, if he's in the band,
Yeah.
he'll just be straight on loved by everyone.
Oh, people will really like
It
him
won't take
because
long
he's-
for people to love him.
Which gets us to
Vasudha.
Vaz has everything it takes to be a rock star. She cannot be a pop star. She got to be a rock star.
ज्यूरी का सबसे कठिन फैसला यही होगा, जज्बातों पर काबू पाकर बैंड के हक में सही न्याय देना.
This is our
We have the 4 staring in our faces.
and ready to enter your lives.
This is what we think is
The next big
best
thing.
bet and the next big thing.
Who will make it to the final 4?
Okay, guys, it's 3:30 in the morning. I've got a long day ahead of me. I'm going to be doing lots of traveling today.
This is the day where all the judges are all over the country spread out. We're going to go talk to the 8 finalists and tell them who's in or out.
That's the toughest part. We are on our way to Chandigarh. We just landed in Delhi. It's 9:30 in the morning. We're still not at Chandigarh. We've got about 1 hour more to go. Jury visits have begun.
We're on our way to Suhasi. Suhasi actually caught our eye right in the beginning at the audition because she looks lovely. Let's go and see what fate and destiny has in store for lovely Suhasi.
Okay, we are driving to meet the Hari Mirchi. उसका नाम वसुधा है. And a fantastic combination of somebody who sings Alanis Morissette and Sant Kabir के version with equal expertise.
Well, we have only one contestant who made it to the top 8 from Chandigarh. His name is Ayushman, and that's whose house we are going to.
She lives on the 5th floor, so we're just going to go meet her, and I'm sure our whole family is going to be there waiting eagerly to know if she's made it. And this is the moment of truth. I'm not going to eat you up. How are you? Nice to see you.
Same here.
Now we are at Vasudha Sharma's house. Vasudha, how are you?
I'm very nervous actually,
Yeah?
to be honest.
Hello. How are you, Ayushman? Fine.
3 fates will be sealed in the next few moments.
चैनल वी के लिए इससे ज़्यादा बड़ी क्रेडिबिलिटी हो ही नहीं सकती कि गुजराती कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली से पेरेंट्स ये कह रहे हैं अगर आपने मुझे बोला कि स्वास्थ्य को आप कल दे दो मैं आपको कल दे सकती हूँ.
This is actually the moment of truth. This is where we have to let Suhasi know what is going to be her fate and her destiny, whether she's in the band or she's not. Okay, Suhasi, your dream of being a pop star unfortunately has come to an end.
Don't tell me.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, but unfortunately you have not made it to the final 4.
सुहासी के लिए वक्त थम जाता है. The dream has been shattered.
Maybe next year. Definitely next year.
मैं next time I'll see to that कि मैं एक step पहले से वापस ना आऊँ. I'll have to reach there the next time.
What are your expectations from this year?
I actually have given my best, so I expect it.
I'll just tell you the pros and the cons, okay? Yes, performance is very nice. Singing is very nice. There's a bit of a problem with the attitude. So you're going to take this in a very positive way and you're going to make something out of your life. And keep trying. Don't give up the dream.
Yes.
There are a few things that are very common about you. You and I play guitar,
Okay.
okay? You and I sing. And both our house numbers are 161. But there's one thing that you have and I don't.
So,
You are a pop star.
so you made it.
This is your air ticket to Bombay. खोल के देखिए क्या है. This is the key to your new flat.
I knew right from the beginning that she'll do it.
Yeah?
He's
Yeah.
one person, who actually encouraged me. He said, I'll be there for you. Whatever you want to do in life, I'll be there with you.
That's very nice. That's very nice.
अरे यार
I knew you would make it. अरे ये रोने की बात है खुश होने की.
मुझे ये दुख है कि तू मेरे पास ही चली जाएगी.
नानी, बीच में आती रहूंगी मैं, मिलने आऊंगी. आती रहूंगी नानी.
वासुधा शर्मा की हमेशा से म्यूजिक में रुचि रही है। बचपन में उसकी मौसी ने उसे भजन गाना सिखाया। बड़े होकर वासुधा ने कॉलेज में अपने गिटार संग कई परफॉर्मेंसेस दिए।
I still can't believe I know.
ये रही पहली पॉप स्टार दिल्ली की वासुधा शर्मा। आयुष्मान को हौसला देने आए हैं सुरवीन और किरणदीप।
Tell me honestly, what do you think?
I think I have got a tough chance.
You got a tough chance.
Yeah.
You have no confidence in yourself.
I know my weaknesses. I know I'm not all that good looking. Like Amit is very good looking.
Well, all the girls think otherwise. All the girls on Pop Stars, all the crew, everyone thought that Ayushmann was the most good-looking boy they had there.
So what do you want to say?
It's the moment of truth for Ayushmann. क्या वो फाइनल 4 में शामिल होंगे? देखते रहिए इस ब्रेक के बाद।
So what do you want to say?
ब्रेक के पहले Ayushmann was on the verge of finding out whether he had made the final cut or not.
Sorry, Ayushmann, we can't take you to Bombay. You've not made it to the band.
Please say it again.
You've not made it to the band, Ayushmann.
Okay. Bye.
The news is heartbreaking और आयुष्मान को यकीन नहीं होता। The tears are hard to hold back for family and friends alike.
Now the things are back to square one. Now I'll go to my college, same friends, same routine, and I'm happy with my life. It's okay.
Just broke the news to him. You want to speak with him?
The place you have actually lost out, Ayushmann, is actually just the singing. If you want to make this into a career, let me just say that thoda sa riyaz has to be a lot more. And I think I pointed out to you what all is missing.
Yeah, you did.
ठीक है, and if you need any kind of help, just मुझे phone कर लियो.
ठीक है.
God bless Ayushmann.
Thanks a lot.
He's bound to go a long way, definitely.
We thought he had a great chance to make it.
अगर हो जाता तो ये हमारे से दूर चले जाता अब हमारे पास ही रहेगा
तो ये रही अब तक की कहानी। Suhasi from Mumbai has not made it to the band, while Vasudha from Delhi has. Ayushmann from Chandigarh just received the bad news.
The jury has completed 3 houses, 5 more to go.
We are on our way to the next contestant. We're going to Sangeet's house, and that's in Bandra.
मैं संगीत हल्दीपुर प्रोफेशन से मैं एक म्यूजिशियन और सिंगर हूँ।
संगीत हमेशा से रिजर्व थे, a controlled voice with the right amount of training and experience. The jury had an eye on him from the word go. पलाश जा रहे हैं दिल्ली की ही नीति मोहन के डांसिंग स्कूल, जिसने अपने पहले ऑडिशन से ही जूरी पर गहरा प्रभाव डाला था।
आज हमसे
In the morning we took a flight to Delhi, and then from here we drove to Chandigarh. Now we took a flight back to Delhi from Chandigarh, and we're going to drive to Jaipur.
Purab sets out on the long drive to the Pink City to make or break Jimmy Felix's fate.
We're going to Sangeet Haldipur's residence.
In a moment of nail-biting suspense, Mehnaz पहुंचती है संगीत के घर।
Let's go and shock him.
और पलाश दाखिल होते हैं नीति मोहन के डांसिंग स्कूल, जहां नीति एक डांस इंस्ट्रक्टर है।
Hi, Neeti.
Hello. How are you? Good.
This is all your students?
Yeah.
Great, yeah. Very nice.
It's the moment of truth for Neeti.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Very good.
It's the moment of truth for Sangeet.
Why Sangeet? Why the name Sangeet?
See, when he was born, that time I thought I should have something different name. But then I was worried also to give him a name Sangeet.
Yes.
Will he keep up to the name?
Yes.
Tomorrow he might become a mechanic, he might become a bartender or a hotel owner.
Yeah.
And the name Sangeet might not suit him, but
Gee.
I must say it's luck and that he's really worked hard.
No, actually, let's get to the moment of truth. I think that's why we're all here. Unfortunately, I'm the one who's been sent to say this, so it's not very easy. I'd just like to give you a little something that we have for you, Sangeet. This is from all of us. It's a little token.
Thank you.
Please go ahead. Just one guess. Tell me what it is.
It's my key to my new apartment.
That's right.
I'm a pop star.
You're a pop star. You paid it.
मुंबई के संगीत हल्दीपुर का तमाम जीवन संगीत और फिल्म माहौल में गुजरा। 3 साल की उम्र में संगीत ने तबला सीखा और 4 साल की उम्र में पहला प्लेबैक। He has won the Maharashtra Award for the Best Singer and has composed the theme music for Gulam.
सबके जीवन में संगीत लाने आया हूँ।
I'm a pop star and I'm coming into your life.
बन गया मैं pop star।
तो ये रहे दूसरे पॉप स्टार मुंबई के संगीत। दिल्ली में the tension moves to the terrace, where Neeti's lifelong ambition will be either realized or broken.
Let me first tell you, and I'm going to tell your friends also, you were the best. Whether it was singing or dancing, you were the best. There's no two ways about it. There is a little problem where the negative part comes in. The negative part comes in the fact that, see, everybody else who's actually going to get chosen to the band is A, younger than you, B, is not as experienced as you are. So what happens is there's a huge difference. It's been a huge debate, and we've been really thinking as to whether we should let everybody else come up to your level, or maybe push you into this and expect you to come down from your level. Okay? The problem is in both ways. Either we're going to be unfair to you, or we're going to be unfair to everybody else. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay? It's going to be very disappointing for everybody. Neeti, we can't take you.
You're not joking.
Neeti was hardly expecting this, but bravely accepts a failure. Her friends still can't believe it.
We go now to our house? Go to your place? Yeah, why don't you?
I'm happy that I made it in first top 8. So I'm happy. I don't know, I think whoever is in the band is the best. मम्मा, चीकू हम आ रहे हैं, हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं।
बस 3 फैसले बाकी हैं। लड़कों में या तो जिमी या अमित, और लड़कियों में लगता है कि मंजरी बनेगी पॉप स्टार। देखते रहिए कोकवी पॉप स्टार्स 2 का बैंड रेवलेशन।
We have the 4 staring in our faces.
कोकवी पॉप स्टार्स 2 में अब तक हुए फैसले।
You've not made it to the band, Ayushmann. Please say it again.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, but unfortunately you have not made it to the final 4.
Neeti, we can't take you.
And the 2 pop stars so far are Vasudha from Delhi and Sangeet from Mumbai. Palash reaches Neeti's house to share the sad news with her parents.
জন্মের সময় যখন আমি ওকে কোলে হাতে নিলাম তাহলে ওদের মুখটা দেখিনি, আগে পাটা দেখেছি। তাহলে আমার পা দেখে আমি বললাম যে এ তো ডান্স করবে।
I've just told her that it's a problem for us to actually fit her into any kind of a system because people are not on the same level as her. I'm actually hoping that Neeti will do something on her own, a very solo kind of a career.
You people are better judge.
Actually, I'll take leave now. I just wanted to meet you people. Before we go, I just have to give you something, which is like a goodbye from us. And
Thank you so much.
just see what it is. Okay, Neeti, this is the key to your new flat in Bombay. You are a pop star.
I have the gut feeling that she's in.
The joy of success after experiencing defeat is something else. Her ambition has come true.
She used to call me Popstar Didi, Popstar Didi.
दिल्ली की नीति मोहन का पहला प्यार था डांसिंग। नीति ऑलमोस्ट जॉइंड द इंडियन आर्मी, लेकिन म्यूजिक का इम्पैक्ट भुलाना मुश्किल था और नीति एक डांस इंस्ट्रक्टर बन गई और अब बनेंगी पॉप स्टार। Neeti Mohan is a pop star. With Neeti becoming a pop star, the news for Manjari is obviously not good. मंजरी का घर भरा हुआ है. This is the moment her family and friends have been waiting for.
Who do you think will be the final four?
Amongst the guys, Amit and Jimmy and Neeti. She is immensely talented. That woman was like, perfect for the whole thing. Fourth one, I really want to make it myself. Because I'm not bad.
It's the moment of truth for Manjari.
So Manjari, unfortunately, your dream of being a pop star has come to an end.
Okay, fine.
And you have not made it to the final four. Okay?
Okay. Just 1 second. I have something, okay? Just hold on. I had this thought, just in case I don't make it to the final four. I had got a card for the ones who are gonna make it. Well, this is a card from me to them. I really wish them all the best of luck. I'm sure these guys are gonna do very well. I'm proud of you all. You are the best, okay?
A sporting gesture from Manjari. But she alone knows how tough it is to smile through this moment. And her parents realize this.
वो दिखा नहीं रही है, but she is feeling I know she is feeling very bad. बाद में क्या होगा that I know. Everybody was so overconfident about her. इसलिए मुझे लग रहा था कुछ कि something is wrong. I'm not believing it actually. Please,
Mom. If you cry, I'm gonna start crying. Stop it now.
पलाश न्यूज़ बताएंगे अमित को.
I'm gonna go and break the news to him. I think it is gonna be one of those deciding moments in his life.
और पूरब फाइनली आ पहुंचे हैं जयपुर.
The house that we wanted to come to is Jimmy Felix's house. It's taken us some time, but we're finally here.
Purab enters to find Jimmy entertaining his family.
Can everybody give a big round of applause for Purab?
I'm just very nervous. This is that moment of truth. I haven't slept. I haven't eaten anything. They've got me a cake, hopefully for a celebration.
If you make it, what are you going to do to celebrate?
Oh, well, first thing is I'm catching a flight tonight to New York, and my parents have already planned a huge party. I think that's Palash. Yeah. Oh, man.
Amit.
How are you?
Hi.
And now it's down to the final two.
Why are you looking so scared? Okay. Amit, I have to break the news, so I have to break the news.
Okay, I'm gonna break it to you.
Amit, we haven't chosen you for the band.
Jimmy, we're not gonna be putting you onto the band. You're not gonna be. Your dream of becoming a pop star ends here.
Amit आंसू रोक नहीं पाते. In a matter of seconds, his world has crumbled. Jimmy और अमित दोनों से कहा गया है कि वो बैंड में नहीं सिलेक्ट हुए. यानी कि एक खबर सच्ची है और एक झूठी.
I was so sure I was going to make them happy. I knew that I had this feeling inside that this was going to be that time that they would be finally proud of me.
The decision is coming from the judges only, and I believe the decision is coming from above. If it was the will of God, he would have selected. Still, if it is the will of God, he will be selected.
Failure at this point is the hardest to handle.
I have something for you that the whole crew wants to give to you. It's your house keys in Bombay.
Surprise, surprise. Jimmy is the fourth pop star. And he lets the world know it in his own way. जयपुर के एक डिवाउट क्रिश्चियन परिवार में जन्मे जिमी फेलिक्स को बचपन से म्यूजिक से बड़ा लगाव था. इसी लगाव में उन्होंने गिटार बजाना सीखा. बड़े होकर चर्च के क्वायर में शामिल हुए. ग्रेजुएशन के बाद MBA में कोशिश की, लेकिन किस्मत को कुछ और ही मंजूर था, पॉप स्टार बनना.
कल कहाँ था मैंने कभी सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि ऑल ऑफ अ सडन कहाँ से कुछ चीज़ ऐसी आएगी. I was among the dust and God kept me in the places of princes.
So here they are. ये रहे वो 4 चेहरे जो अब बदलेंगे इंडियन पॉप म्यूजिक का इतिहास. द कोकवी पॉप स्टार्स 2 बैंड, वसुधा शर्मा, संगीत हल्दीपुर, नीति मोहन और जिमी फीलिक्स. Watch this awesome foursome make their journey into a whole new world. The City of Dreams, Mumbai. जहां एक नई जिंदगी कर रही है इन चारों का इंतजार. एक नया जीवन जिसके साथ हैं नई जिम्मेदारियां, नई मुश्किलें और नई चुनौतियां. Watch 4 young lives change forever. From next week onwards, हर रविवार रात 8 बजे सिर्फ चैनल V पर, जहां अब इन चारों का बैंड बजेगा.